Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are doing very well. Here it is very important question from GATE CS 2015, question number 11. The topic is parameter passing technique. The question was asked for GATE and very conceptual. If you will read the question, we need to find the output of the following C program, and C program is given to us, right? So if you will see here, the main function is starting from here. We have two function void f1 and void f2 like that. And if you will see that first time a variable, b variable, and c variable is there, which is initialized here. Thereafter, we are calling function f1. So from here, we will go to here, but nothing will change. Only the values of C, A, and B, that is the value of C and A would be basically, we can say that would be swiped, but it would not change. It would not change original values. Why? Because it is called by value only. It is called by value. No pointers and no addresses are used here. So call by value is there, so no change in the original values. But thereafter function 2 would be called, and if you'll see here, we are calling function 2 with the variable b and c, with the address of b and c, and we will go to this loop. This loop means we will go to this part. In this part, if you will see what we are doing, we are passing the address of b to star a, and we are passing address of c to star b. And here, if you will find the logic, I hope you can see the logic is somewhat already seeing, right? C equals to star a, star equals to star b, and star b equals to c. Basically what we are doing, we are swapping the values of B and C, and it will change. We can say that it will change the original values also. Why it will change original values? Because it is called by reference. It is called by reference method, because address and stars is used, right? We are passing the address of b and address of c to a and b variable. It is called by reference. So the value of b and value of c is swiped just due to this void f2. So the latest value of a would be 4, b would be 6, and c would be 5, because value of b and c is swiped, and original value would be changed just because of call by reference. Now printf c, that is 5, minus a, that is 4, minus value of b, that is 6. 5 minus 4 nothing but 1, minus 6, that is minus 5. So minus 5 is the output of this C program. I hope it is very much clear to you. Further, if anybody have any kind of doubt, any kind of query in this question, you can definitely ask me. Else guys, do subscribe the YouTube channel, like the video, and ask your question and share it with your friends also. Thank you so much guys. Have a very nice day. Take care of yourself.